How to make a passive income with the Midjourney and Etsy. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Midjourney server, and here you have to join the newcomer room, and I am joining the -116. Here you have to type a message that is \image promote, and here you have to add up your image which you want to add as a product. I am adding an aesthetic girl. Once it is added, you have to click on the create, and here you can browse it in your gallery or also took a screenshot of this. After that, you have to save this. Once you save this, you have to go on the Printify, and here you have to made up your account. Once you made up your account, you have to go on the product catalog, and here you have to select any one of the product. Once you select the product, you have to scroll down, and here is the option of the start designing. You have to click on it. Now once you are in, as you can see, here is the option of the new design at the side with the my library. You have to click on the my design, and here you can add the screenshot which you previously taken or save it. Now here you can change its width, height, rotate, scale, and any of these things which you want to change. You can also change its background color. It is white. I am changing from white to black. There are many types of color which you want to select, and here you have to save the product. Now once the product has been saved, you can publish your settings. You have to click on the publishing setting, and here you have to connect to your store first in order to publish your product. Once you store it, you have to click on the publish. If you want to add later publish, you have to save it in the draft. Here is the option of the save as draft. You can save it in your draft, and as you can see, the product has been saved in the draft. You can also change the product prices present when it is in the draft. You have to simply click on the edit price. After that, you have to simply apply the changes. So yeah, this is how you can make passive income with the Midjourney.